Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today I wanted to go over what the table colors mean. So here on the table layout, when you start a ticket, obviously you just press on a table and it starts the ticket. But when you start a ticket, it actually place an order, it changes the color of the table. So white means that it doesn't have anybody there, it's not being used, so it's an available table. And then the rest of the colors do mean something. So the best way to find out what they mean is by going to the search button down here and going to status. And if you notice, the tickets are colors here as well. Same color as what's going to be on the tables. If you go to status here, it will show you exactly what each color means. So if you're ever wondering what each color means, just remember to go to status. Just be careful, because if you press on one here, like let's say I press on the one for no items, and I forget to turn that off, then later on, when I come back in here and I'm searching for a ticket, I might panic because I don't see where all my tickets went to. I just see 2 tickets. Where'd all the rest of them go? It's because I have that one highlighted. So make sure if you do highlight one that you make sure you turn it back off before you leave the screen. Alright, well that's all there is to this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.